Okay, so I got, I thought this was through-hole stuff, and it's actually pretty tiny. I thought they were like little Christmas ornaments. I didn't really see what they were. I just saw they were on Amazon. They were pretty cheap. Comes with a package of 3 of them, and it looks like it is like 555s or something. Some kind of timer, I think, that changes how frequently um, it blinks on and off. I really don't know, to be honest. I'll see what's going on here. I can't see anything, so I'm gonna have to solder it up with the microscope here. And yeah, we'll take a look. Let's see what the IC is. If I can see, it is. It looks like an LM358. So, all right, let's see what we got. All right, got them all put together. I think I've got all the LEDs working on all of them in the right place. Man, I'm a sucker for these. As a kid, I always wanted stuff like this, but we could never afford, maybe one a year or something. So now, when I stumble across these things, I always pick them up just to play with them. This one was a lot of fun. Surface mount. I would definitely say this is not a beginner circuit. I mean, the circuit is probably beginner, but the the work it takes to get it done, unless you're familiar with surface mount, I wouldn't choose this as a first attempt. Trying to get ready. In fact, you can read through some of the comments. It's kind of funny how many people I think pick these up thinking that they're just going to take their soldering iron and whip it out, and then they come across microscopic components. This one, the blue one, you can see I hooked up reverse polarity when I first connected it. And I think either the transistor or that LM358, something's wrong there. So I'll go back through, probably play with that one. Just didn't feel like doing that right now while I've got all the LEDs, working and connected. And we can take a quick look. Let me turn them off at some of the work. You can see there's some botches on there. That particular LED is bothering me. You can see the LEDs are pretty much soldered pretty good on there. That's the wires connected. And then what do we got on the back side? The IC was a little difficult to get correct. And then the only other thing that was difficult was the little 3-pin transistor. Otherwise, it's a capacitor and a couple of resistors. So, yeah, it's fun. I would highly recommend it. And good luck if you choose to build it. All right.